Thank God for my reefer, man. That shit good. Every time I reefer, man, I have some good weed. And when I come back that afternoon, he don't ever have none. I want to know what kind of motherfucking deal he been getting. He need to get more of this shit.